Hello friend, my name is Carlos. I am from Punto. In today's video, I am going to explain how to apply progressive gradients to any of the carousel widgets of Element. Okay, either media images or comments, so that you understand well what we are going to do today. Okay, we have some carousels created here, okay? Let's see if we get there. Okay. By default, if we insert a carousel, the entrance and exit, that is from the sides, appears with the image completely visible. So what we are going to apply is a gradient that is going to go from cabbage colored to transparent. And the effect we are going to achieve is this one here. It's okay that the appearance in the viewport is smooth. Viewport be like softer or with a degraded one. Yeah, a degraded one is fine. So before getting into what the tutorial is, as always, I would appreciate it if you could see each other below. Or the content he made, you would like it, or subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to receive notifications of future videos. And I also invite you that if you have any doubts or questions, you can leave them in the comments. Okay, let's go with what the tutorial is. Is everything all right with me? I've done it downstairs before. All right, I'll erase this and see how it looks, okay? And so that you can see the changes you have applied, I'll put at the top of the design in the image of the page. All right, I'll proceed. Create a container. I'm going to give it a viewport 100% to make it stand out. Am I going to change the background color? All right, let's check it now. Actually, he's not of African descent, but now he is. All right, let's concentrate on the essential elements. Both horizontal, like fiscally. And now we're going to look for a carousel widget, okay? And I'm going to do it with the images widget, but we can do it. Gone. Any of the carousel widgets, the media widgets, the testimonials widgets, it's worth it. Let's add the images. It's necessary we insert them properly. Okay, I'm going to look for some in which already I have. There is a predefined standard image size for all of them. All right, we are going to create it and insert it into the gallery, okay? I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to provide a complete size description. Fully detailed, all right, check it out. We're going to accomplish this with 2. Utilizing 2, apologies, using 2. Okay, and A, we are also going to give you to move. So when we have the design created, in fact, the viewport does not have, it must be perfectly aligned as the height needs to be adjusted to match the height of the images. So we're going to assign it a 0 and include additional elements here. Here we go 2 to give a feeling of 0. Okay, so we come to the container, okay, we go to the advanced, and here we are going to define a class that, in our case, the class is going to be called degraded. Okay, what about you? If you don't have Elementor Pro, here's how you can apply the CSS I'm about to leave you. What? You can do it. Proceed to navigate to appearance and then customize. And within customize the cascading style sheets, CSS. Additional. Okay, you put me at C. Additional style sheets, SS, and you hit the CSS cascading style sheets code that I will leave for you in the description. And here you see additional CSS, and here you would paste the code. CS. Yes, I have the Pro version. Allow me. Edit the C. So here is what I'm planning to do. Proceed to CSS implementation. Personalized. And I'm going to paste the following code. Okay, public. In fact, we already see how the gradient is displayed. We shall review it on the front end. All right. If I proceed to the front end now, I update. I'm going upstairs, sorry. All right, this is because the contents are contained within a box. Okay, if we go here to the container, disposition, I assure you it is wide, comprehensive, public, and accessible. I'm refreshing here again, and we'll see how it applies to us. In fact, the effect is already shown what happens when it is boxed. And the black color put on the sides, no, is shown. All right, but we would likely achieve the effect if, for instance, our background had a different hue, and the colors have. We need to modify them as afterward we transition into the code. It's somewhat acceptable, you understand? Indeed. Allow me to explain. Let's see if he lets me work now, okay? See. For customizations in the style sheet, we would proceed to line 6 of the code, okay? And we would modify here. How about the colors, all right? I have it in text, but can we, working with hexadecimals? Yes, for example. What about making our outer background red? It's worth it. Example, could we put here where it says black, we put a net to define, that is the background gradient is applied from left to right, okay? And then here it is no longer. It says left to right. And I tell you that the left part will be red from 2% and that it will also be red from 97% of the width. Okay, so if I modify here and I say red, public, okay. I come here and update, we will see that we have the same effect. The only thing we have. Change are the colors acceptable? That actually here to stay a little? Curious. We would also have to change the background color. All right, I have elaborated on the method to craft progressive gradients for all types of caravans already. Of elements. I hope so. That you like that it helped you? If so, remember to give it a like source. That virtual canal activates the bell to receive notifications of future videos, doubts, and questions in the comments. See you in future videos.